Building a compelling and user-friendly website is hard. Intuition, A/B testing, and plain old guesswork might get you there. But even then, it's hard to know why your website performs one way and not another. With Clarity from Microsoft, you can stop guessing and start understanding. Clarity provides anonymized session replays and detailed heat map analysis. So optimizing your website isn't hit or miss, it's data-driven. With Clarity Session Replays, you can examine user behavior exactly as it happened, every step of the way. And detailed heat maps show you where users clicked and scrolled in aggregate, so you can root out all those pesky edge cases. Just head to clarity.microsoft.com to get started, then sign up and create a new project. As soon as you add our JavaScript code to your website, you can start monitoring activity in minutes. Isn't that how web development should be?
Yes.
Stop guessing and get clarity from Microsoft. Sign up today.